Hello, this is Mike from Cornerbowl Software, and today I'm going to show you the new Logon Session Reports in Cornerbowl Server Manager. Before we get started, if you haven't already configured your installation to save the security event log entries to the Cornerbowl Server Manager database, please see either the Agent-Based Event Log Management or the Event Log Consolidation to SQL Server tutorials. Previously, our Logon Session Reports only showed logon instances and summary. The reports have been updated to include options to generate account inactivity and incomplete logon sessions. If you already have a previous version of Cornerbowl Server Manager installed and you've just updated to the latest version, you can generate the new sample reports by selecting Tools, Create Default Objects. The new sample reports are located in two folders: Sample Reports, Event Logs, Security Reports, Logon. Then there's Logon Sessions Inactive Domain Accounts, Logon Sessions Inactive Local Accounts, Logon Sessions Summary, and JSIG RMF AU2 Network Correlation. Then there's Logon Sessions Inactive Local and Domain Accounts, Logon Sessions Incomplete, Logon Sessions Summary. Then down under Standalone Correlation, there's a Logon Sessions Inactive Local Accounts. For our regular customer base, that is non-air-gapped customers, use the reports located in the Sample Reports Event Logs Security Reports Logon folder. For our air-gapped customers, use the reports located in Sample Reports JSIG RMF AU-2. These new report updates were requested by one of our air-gapped customers. However, these updates provide value in all environments. Let's take a look at the configuration of each report. To do that, I'm going to show you our Batch Update Report feature. From the menu bar, select Edit Batch Update Reports. The Select Reports view displays. From the Filter by Report drop-down, select Logon Sessions Report. The view auto-expands all groups that contain Logon Session Reports. I would like to show you the differences in all of these pre-built reports, so I'm going to check the root node, which selects all of the relevant reports. Then click OK. The Batch Report Properties view displays. Using the Select from List drop-down, select Logon Sessions. The Status view displays, along with all of the configuration tabs. The Status view displays the execution history, and when manually executed, the verbose output. The Timeline tab displays a graphical view of the execution history along with detail about the database table for use with BI administration tools. The General tab displays the automated execution schedule. The Explicitly Assigned Log tab displays archived log and EVT file backup assignments. Use this tab to scan archived logs and raw EVT file backups in addition to the primary database. The Columns tab defines the columns to display, sort order, and group by. Notice this report is sorting by the level image, host, user, then date. The Options tab now includes an Account Inactivity section, which enables you to scan AD and local accounts for inactivity. Lastly, you can flag accounts which did not manually log off. Notice this report is going to display interactive, network, and remote logon types. The Users tab enables you to filter out specific user accounts. Also, notice there is a filter assigned that filters out built-in accounts. If we take a look at that filter, we can see we are excluding the built-in DWM accounts, UMFD accounts, computer accounts, and the system account. The Date Time Range tab displays the date and time range to include in the report. Finally, the Actions tab displays the output options. Okay, let's see this particular report in action. To do that, I'm going to assign a host to this report, then save and view the report. This report shows each logon session. Selecting the Logon Sessions Inactive Local Accounts reveals different settings. On the Columns tab, the column count is checked. On the Options tab, the Show the number of successful logons per user and logon type is checked. All of the login types are also checked. The Scan Assign Host for inactive local accounts is checked, which also enables the warning threshold and critical thresholds. The Actions tab reveals the Hide Informational Data Table rows is selected, which has the effect of hiding successful logons that have fallen within our trigger thresholds. Okay, let's see this report in action. Assign a host to the report, save, and then view. This report shows each account that has failed to log in within the critical time span threshold. Okay, the next report I want to show you is the Logon Sessions Summary. On the Columns tab, the count is selected. On the Options tab, the Show the number of successful logons per user and login type is selected. The Interactive, Network, and Remote Interactive logon types is selected. On the Actions tab, the Hide Informational Data rows is deselected. Okay, let's see this in action. A host is assigned to the report, save, and then view report. This report shows a summary of all successful logons, then displays the last time each account logged in. Selecting the JSIG Logon Sessions Incomplete reveals some different settings. On the Columns tab, the count is not checked. On the Options tab, only the Interactive and Remote logon types is checked. Down at the bottom, Trigger Incomplete Logon Sessions is checked. On the Actions tab, we can see the report is going to be saved to CSV and HTML files. Hide Informational Data Table rows is also checked. Okay, let's see this in action. A host is assigned, save, and then view report. Notice the Logoff at is blank. Then each row is flagged. That's Logon Sessions, Logoff, and Inactive account reports with Corner Bowl Server Manager.